Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. I'm super excited to be back with another makeup tutorial for you guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this purple smoky eye, and I feel like this technique can be applied to so many different color combos, and it's just crucial in just the way that I do my eye looks. It's a technique that I use super often. So if you guys want to see how I achieved it, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So first thing I'm doing is applying my Too Faced concealer, and I use that as an eye primer, and then I set it with some translucent powder. For today's palette, I'm using my Morphe X James Charles Artistry palette, and I went into the big orange transition color, and I'm just popping that into my crease with this fluffy brush and just really rounding out that outer edge and just really hugging the natural curve of my crease. And then going in with this angled brush, I'm going into this burgundy shade. And I personally love using burgundy shades on brown eyes. I think that it really makes them pop. I think it makes any eye color pop, really. But yeah, I'm just grabbing this angled brush and that burgundy shade, and I'm just carving my crease and just really rounding out that outer corner. Next, I'm grabbing this small tapered brush and some more of that burgundy shade and just kind of going in left and right motions, diffusing that line. And honestly, there's a lot of ways about getting a smoky eye. There's a lot of ways to achieve it, but I personally, sometimes I prefer a more blended look, and sometimes I prefer a look with a little bit more dimension and definition. And this is definitely going to be the look with a lot more dimension and definition. So what I did next was I grabbed this angled brush from Colourpop, and this brush is super precise when it comes to application. So what I'm doing is applying this line exactly where we applied the first one, and it's just really going to add some dimension and depth to the look. And then I'm grabbing my small tapered brush and going in with that dark burgundy shade once again. And then also, if you need a little bit more blending, you can pick up a little bit of that darker purple shade just to really blend it out. And next I'm grabbing the really big fluffy brush that we used to apply our transition color, and I'm just using that brush to kind of diffuse the edges and just make sure that everything around the outer corners is nice and blended. And then I grabbed this angled brush and some more of that Too Faced concealer, and I'm just carving the first half of my lid, and I like to go above my natural lid just so that when I open my eye I still have some lid space. And then I'm grabbing this flat brush and I'm picking up this really beautiful purple shade in the palette. And honestly, this is one of my favorite purple eyeshadows that I've ever used. It has blue iridescent in it, and it's just so beautiful. And I'm kind of going in left and right motions, diffusing that onto the outer edge as well. And then grabbing this pencil brush, I'm at first patting the dark purple shade and then kind of dragging it inward and just giving this look a little bit more dimension and depth. And then for lashes, I'm applying my Shop Sophie Belle lashes in the style Bali. And I'll admit I could have cleaned them up a little bit more before applying them, but nonetheless, they still worked really nicely, and I think that it was still worth uploading this video. I just could have kind of grabbed my tweezers and cleaned it up a little bit more, but I think that it still looks really nice. And then I grabbed the transition color and just buffed that onto my lower lash line, and then grabbed my small angled brush and the dark burgundy shade and just applied that to the outer corner of my lower lash line. And then I'm grabbing my Mad Lash mascara by The Balm, and I'm just applying that to my lower lashes, and then applying my Pixi Beauty highlight to my inner corner. And then the last thing I'm doing is grabbing my spoolie and running it through some bar soap and then running it through my brow. And this is the finished look. Super easy. I mean, everything takes time and takes practice. There's definitely a lot of layers of blending to this look, but I definitely think that if you practice enough, you can definitely get it down. But yeah, that's pretty much the end of this video. If you watched it to the very end, thank you so much for watching. And also, we have a monthly giveaway here, so if you want to be entered for that, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, turn your post notifications on, and then comment done down below. And our giveaway is unfortunately US only, so please only enter if you live in the US. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!